beat this guy, you need speed. You don't have it. And your knees can't take the pound. So hard running is out. And you got arthritis in your neck. You've got calcium deposits on most of your joints. So sparring is out.
I had that problem.
So what we'll be calling on is good old-fashioned blunt force trauma. Horsepower. Heavy-duty, cast iron, pile-driving punches that will have to hurt so much they'll rattle his ancestors. Every time you hit him with his shot, he's got to feel like he tried kissing the express train. Yeah, let's start building some hurt bombs.